Oh, there's some sadness in the car. It's our last day on Disney, and we're heading to Magic Kingdom. Oh, there's some sadness knocking around. It's been raining most of the day as well. But we're going to go. We've got a couple of fast passes. We're meeting Mickey Mouse as well later on, which should be good. And we're going on Splash Mountain, and we'll be going on Seven Dwarfs as well, which is Matthew's favourite rides. And we'll try and go on Big Thunder Mountain as well, which is Mummy's favourite ride. But we'll see how things go and how the weather is. Oh, we're just sad. But tomorrow we'll be excited again. But for now, bit sad. But on that, we've only got half a mile to Disney World. Yay! So for 2 weeks we're going around what Lauren would class as the Big Bend that takes us onto Disney. This is it. The Big Bend. And do you know why it's called the Big Bend? Anybody guess? Anybody guess why they call it the Big Bend? Anybody? Anybody? I'm going to tell you. It's because the road goes on a big bend. Zippity-doo-dah-day. And now we're on Disney. That's where we're heading to. Not there, but there. Can you see the sign? It says Walt Disney World, where dreams come true. And they do. And there's Minnie and Mickey welcome us. Good evening, Minnie and Mickey. Now then, the last time we came here, there were pumpkins everywhere. And now, because it's not an Halloween party, the pumpkins have gone. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. The pumpkins, they must only pop up at Halloween time in August, because now they aren't there. But we're here, going through the gates for the last time. Can you feel the love tonight? And for the last time. Still crying, still upset. We're going to go on the monorail because we're actually seeing Cinderella in 15 minutes, and I think this way will be a little bit quicker, but you never know. But we're going to give it a go. So this time we're going on the monorail, and we'll come back on the ferry later.
Please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Magic Kingdom monorail station.
And for the last time, I have to use this. Very sad. No Matthew and Tracy about to go in, followed by us two.
Can you try one more time? You don't have to get it out now this finger. Alright, we'll get you how much on them. Yeah.
Thanks very much. And that's it, we're in. All the Halloween stuff's still up inside the park, and it will remain up until the end of October. I think the last part on the 1st of November, and we went to the first one on the 25th of August. Lots of people exiting the park, which is good. I'm going to go on to the My Disney app now and check out the wait times for the rides. Then we know where we're going. That's what you get at Disney. You get leaves into Mickey Mouse ears. Unbelievable, Jeff. And you spot Matthew. You've got to look for Matthew and Tracy. Where are they? It's going to be quick. You've got to look for them. Where are they? Let's be quick watching. They're on here somewhere. Keep watching. That's Splash Mountain. That's where we're heading now. and we're going to take a shortcut rather than going in the road. We're going to go in the path on the side of the lake, and it's a shortcut away from the crowds. Always thinking. There we go. That's where we're going. Who's making all that noise?
What are you doing with the guy Charlie still? You're in the next thing.
The eyes going, you Lauren.
You can't do that. I'm going to hide behind you. There was a taggle wave the other day on it. On what? On here, when I was on the front. I got drenched.
Matthew, say cheese. Matthew. You're having a good study.
Better, won't it?
We're not going to worry is that.
Yeah, but you can see it coming when you're at the front.
You can see more
Just got Splash Mountain and I am wet through. Lauren, getting wet, pretty wet. I think I wore the wrong shirt. It looked like I got wet in. Should have striped it actually. Look at that, soaking wet through. Anyway, we're on our way to Mickey Mouse. Miska, Mickey Mouse! On our way to Mickey Mouse, and we bumped into the Move It, Shake It party, which happens 4 or 5 times a day. This is the last one for tonight. This is the 6 PM show. And they're raising the roof. The roof is on fire. Is that Donald? Donald Duck, one of his favourites. There he is.
I see you, John.
Now it's stopped raining, there seems to be a lot more people coming into the parks. A lot more people coming in.
You can stand 2 by 2 or with your party. Go ahead and move on up. There you go. Standing a little bit closer to your party.
Boy, you're here. Good to see you.
It's all right, buddy.
Give Mickey a hug.
Can I get a hug?
It's okay. It's just Mickey Mouse.
Hiya, pal.
Why don't you give him
Cool.
5? Do you want to get a picture with you?
Thanks for stopping by.
Get a picture with me. Hold Mickey's hand. Hold Mickey's
The
hand
rest
and
of the
see if
family
we
can
can
come
get a
right over
picture.
this way for us.
I just heard the funniest joke. What did Daisy Duck say when she got a new lipstick at the makeup store? She said, just put it on my bill. Yeah, that's one of my favorites.
Hey, how about we get some pictures, Mickey?
Great idea.
Go on, Lauren. Go on, Matthew, hold Mickey's hand. Hold Mickey's hand.
Matthew, hold Mickey's hand. That's it. Matthew.
Good boy.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese, Matthew.
Good boy.
Matthew, big
Right
smile.
here, Matthew. Hi, Matthew.
Matthew, say cheese.
Great adventures today.
Are you guys say hi to Mickey too?
Take care.
Stay right in front of him so Mickey can see you.
It was great to see you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mickey. Good night.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have fun today.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Feet. Dancing. Street. Wishing I could be part of your world.
Hailwood is lucky. They someday. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you go beyond the grave. Laryngitis, now go straight to me. I lived in the past, I've been a nasty. They were kidding when they called me girl or witch. What you find nowadays, I've ended all my ways. Repentance in the night and made a switch. Sitting there, she'll got a lot to say. There's something about her. You don't know why she died. Trying to kiss the girl.
Yeah, doing love. Yeah. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Yeah. And they all live happily ever after. Yeah. Bye bye.
All right, and they all live. Now how does that go?
Happily ever after. Well, we're a couple of hours in. We told Tracy we're going to be home for 7:30. Me and Lauren have got a secret game to see if we can be here for the fireworks, but we're not telling Tracy. She thinks we're just delaying tactics. But I keep getting fast passes, ended up, and then we dash off to another one now. So we're now going to Storybook Circus. The fireworks go in 1 hour. We should already be on our way on because we've not even started packing for the cruise tomorrow. But me and Lauren, it's a challenge. Can we be here for the fireworks or not? What do you think? Will we make it? I think the plan is working. It's now 8:25. Fireworks at 9 o'clock. And Tracy just mentioned getting another fast pass. And I said, no, I think we're starting in Main Street now. Which is a perfect spot for happily ever after. Good thinking, Daddy. Love this place at night. Look at it. Beautiful. Castle all lit up. Carousel. Nice and cooler. And during the day. Love it at night time. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. Or as Peter Pan would say, here we go! It's like Aladdin's cave. You could spend thousands. Let's have a look over here.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be.
Can you see?
All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic.
friend. Never had a friend. Never had a friend. I'll see you real soon.